get here and find out that Asia can't do bread. Legit, like honestly.
The whole of Asia?
The whole of Asia can't do bread.
Welcome to the Expat Failure Matrix. Today, we have a British subject who broke up with 2 countries in 20 months. She is currently standing in the birthplace of the banh mi, making a broad culinary declaration. Let's run the matrix. Act 1, the breakup with England.
Lifestyle. I said golf, so let's roll with golf. 2024 was the year that I hardly golfed because the weather was so bad. I think we had the most rain in 2024 than we'd ever had.
She broke up with England because the weather ruined her golf handicap. Most people just buy an umbrella.
The 1 year sabbatical from retirement, you want the best quality, the best year you can have. And
Sabbatical from their retirement. A beautiful piece of semantic rebranding. It's like taking a vacation from your holiday.
Okay, you think, whoa, this is some serious building here, some serious stuff.
She arrived with 3 bags and expected London penthouse standards. The gap between her expectations and local reality is approximately 10,000 miles. Act 2, the complaints.
Lived there if there was any noise, and they said that you could hear the people in the apartment next to you flush their toilet, you can hear the people above.
Hearing a neighbor's toilet flush is unbearable. She moved to a dense Asian metropolis and is shocked by the presence of human biology.
This is like a prison to me. I couldn't survive in this.
Her dad says this is like a prison with floor-to-ceiling windows and air conditioning. The family scale for suffering is remarkably calibrated.
But we can't wait to get out of this joint now. I mean, it's beautiful, but we just want some peace and quiet. Like today, had to wake up at the crack of dawn, and we didn't get any sleep.
She moved apartments during Tet for peace and quiet, because nothing says tranquility like the biggest holiday in Southeast Asia.
Just to show you guys that our neighbour is a karaoke vet. This is his speaker system.
She escaped a luxury apartment and landed next to a karaoke veteran, a man who has memorized every Vietnamese ballad since 1975.
Our building management is a lady that we've never met, and it's just a WhatsApp. That's it. She's not even in the building. She's not part of the building.
Building management is just a lady on WhatsApp who doesn't answer. Welcome to Southeast Asian infrastructure, where the lady on WhatsApp is the supreme authority.
Lights, no music. Wow, no karaoke, no loud music for once in Vietnam. It has to be the best day we have ever seen here.
She is celebrating a municipal power failure because it stopped the karaoke. When a collapsing power grid is your best case scenario for peace, you are in the wrong country. The math ain't mathing. Act 3, lifestyle creep.
I finally kit out the entire apartment with plants. There is a fat chance, by the way, guys, that I could potentially spend like £600-700 in a place.
£700 on houseplants by day 100. This is no longer a backpacking trip. This is a botanical relocation.
I don't wear a helmet. It's because of him.
Well, it ruins my hair, doesn't it?
Oh, sorry.
She doesn't wear a helmet in Vietnamese traffic because it ruins her hair. The concrete does not respect your volume and bounce.
H munching away on his crisps that he nicked from the business lounge. Don't blame him because we've not had crisps in such a long time.
She hacked airline points to get a business class ticket she calls a financial investment. Darren stole lounge crisps for the road. The arbitrage is finally paying dividends.
Hàng xóm mặn.
Trời ơi, chị ơi, Asia can't do bread? Vietnam was colonized by the French. We took the baguette, we made the bánh mì, and we made it better.
Chị ơi, £700 on plan house plans. The local rent for a whole apartment is less than her plan budget. She waters money, not flowers.
She refuses to wear a helmet because it ruins her hair. Chị ơi, tell her the concrete will ruin her face. Just tie it back and drive.
Chúng tôi thấy hết.
Act 4, full circle.
God, I love this country. Fresh air. I can breathe again. It's so nice. and it's so cold. I had to put my jumper on, and you can see your breath.
She lands in freezing rain and is ecstatically praising the fresh air. The woman who left England for the weather is now praising the weather, a beautiful pivot from severe meteorological trauma to patriotic nostalgia. Look, Sara genuinely documented her entire journey with honesty. She didn't fake it. She didn't pretend to love it. She gave us 59 videos of real emotional arc. That's more self-awareness than most. She broke up with England. Then she broke up with Vietnam. England took her back. Expat Failure Matrix score. Financial runway. 140 out of 170. She had the budget for penthouses, business class, and botanical relocations. The money was not the issue. Comfort standards. 20 out of 170. Bought the tropical dream. Couldn't handle the tropical reality. The environment won. Cultural integration. 60 out of 170. Celebrated a blackout because it stopped the local culture. Self-awareness index. 20 out of 170. 2 countries. Same complaints. 0 pattern recognition. Hustle transparency. 140 out of 170. No courses, no coaching program, refreshingly non-monetized. Final score, 380 out of 850. An environmental incompatibility. God save the king. I'm your host at the Expat Failure Matrix. If you move across the world and have the exact same problems, ask to see the math. The proprietary algorithm used in today's episode is available in our exclusive EFM course, which is a single ChatGPT prompt on how to actually evaluate your own environmental incompatibility. Please do not pirate it because it is already free.